Good day mga boss! Welcome po sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, I am going to show you how to determine the reference angle of given angle. Are you ready? Let us start! So ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon mga boss yung pinakamadaling paraan how to find or determine the reference angle. Okay? So I have here a unit circle mga boss. Okay? So ano ba yung unit circle? Ang unit circle is a circle whose center is at the origin of the Cartesian plane and the radius is equal to 1 unit. Okay? So ano naman po yung reference angle? Yung reference angle mga boss ng angle in a standard position is a positive acute angle between the terminal side and the x-axis. Yung terminal side po ng angle in a standard position is yung side na nagro-rotate or the rotating side. Okay, yun yung tinatawag nating terminal side. Tinatawag naman yung angle na sa standard position kapag yung initial side niya is nasa positive x-axis at yung vertex niya is at the origin. Okay. Say for example mga boss is we are going to consider this angle. Itong angle na to. Okay? So yung initial side niya is nasa positive x-axis, yung endpoint ng angle or yung vertex ng angle is at the origin. So yung reference angle is the positive acute angle. Okay? Yung positive acute angle mga boss, ibig sabihin walang negative na reference angle at yung measurement ng reference angle is greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. Okay? So if ito yung ating angle, yung reference angle mga boss is the distance or a positive acute angle between the x-axis and the terminal side. So ito yung terminal side, ito yung x-axis, ito yung reference angle niya. Okay? Next, if you're going to consider this angle, itong angle na to. Okay? So, saan dyan yung reference angle? Yung reference angle is the distance between the x-axis and the terminal side. So, ito yung terminal side ng angle na yan mga boss at ito yung x-axis. So, ibig sabihin yung reference angle niya is ito mga boss. Okay? Ito yung reference angle niya. Okay? Let's take another example. How about if we're going to take this angle, itong angle na to. Yung brown na terminal side. Okay? So, asan dyan or alin dyan yung reference angle? So, yung reference angle niya mga boss is ito. Okay? The distance between the x-axis and its terminal side. Okay? If we are going to consider naman itong angle na to from here going here. Okay? So yung reference angle naman yan mga boss is ito. Okay? The distance between the terminal side of that angle and the x-axis. Okay. So paano po ba mahahanap natin yung reference angle sa pinakamadaling paraan? Okay. Meron ako dito sinulat mga boss na para mas mapadali sa inyo paano kunin yung reference angle or paano i-determine yung reference angle ng given angle. So if the terminal side lies in, okay, by the way mga boss, yung kinukuha nating reference angle is a reference angle of an angle in a standard position. Now, if the terminal side of that certain angle lies in quadrant 1, okay, quadrant 1, if nasa quadrant 1 yan mga boss yung terminal side niya, the reference angle of the given angle is the angle itself. Okay? So, easily ma-identify mo na yung reference angle niya. Pag nasa quadrant 1 siya, automatic yung given angle, yung reference angle niya is the angle itself. Okay? Pag nasa quadrant 2 naman yan mga boss, yung terminal side niya is nasa quadrant 2, yung formula lang na gagamitin natin is angle theta is equal to 180 degrees minus A. Okay? Yung theta dito mga boss is our reference angle and your A here is the given angle. Okay? So ito yung gagamitin nating formula pag nasa quadrant 2. Pag ng terminal side naman is nasa quadrant 3, yung formula na gagamitin natin is the reference angle theta equals the given angle A minus 180 degrees. Okay? Pag nasa quadrant 4 naman yung terminal side, yung formula na gagamitin natin is the reference angle theta is equal to 360 degrees minus the given angle A. Okay, so meron tayo ditong problem mga boss. Okay? So we have here determine the reference angle of 60 degrees. Ito ay B 135 degrees, C is 210 degrees, D 300 degrees, and E is negative 850 degrees. So let us consider all angles, all these given angles in standard position. Okay. So for letter A, okay, we have here the solution. For letter A, okay, we are given a 60-degree angle. Okay. Now, 60-degree angle, saan makikita yung terminal side ng 60-degree angle mga boss? Okay, tama. Nasa quadrant 1. So kanina sa technique na tinuro ko sa inyo mga boss, sabi ko dito, pag yung terminal side ng angle in a standard position is nasa quadrant 1, ano yung reference angle niya? So the reference angle is the angle itself. So no need nyo na, or hindi nyo na kailangan pang isolve. Automatic mga boss, yung reference angle niya is 60 degrees. Ganon lang kasimple, ganon lang kadali mga boss. Okay? Next, for letter B, okay, we have 135 degrees. So, saan makikita yung angle? Okay? Yung terminal side ng 135 degree angle. So, if you have the unit circle, from positive x-axis to positive y-axis, that is 90 degree. Tama po ba? So, pag sinabi natin 135 degrees, medyo dito siya in between the positive y-axis and the negative x-axis. So, nasa quadrant 2 siya mga boss. Okay? So, kanina sabi ko, pag nasa quadrant 2 siya, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Okay? The reference angle is equal to 180 degrees minus the given angle A. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, we have here, that is the reference angle theta equals 180 degrees minus the given angle is 135 degrees. Okay? So if you're going to subtract 180 degrees by 135 degrees, the answer is, yes, tama mga boss, 45 degrees. So ito po yung reference angle ng 135 degrees. Ganun lang po kasimple mga boss. How about letter C? We have 210 degrees. So, una-una yung gagawin mga boss, i-locate nyo kung saang quadrant, no, na belong or naglalay yung kanyang terminal side. So, yung 210 degrees mga boss is, the terminal side of 210 degrees is between the negative x-axis and the negative y-axis. So, dito siya in between. So, ibig sabihin, yung terminal side ng 270 degrees, 210 degrees is nasa quadrant 3. Diba? Ito yung quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, at saka ito yung quadrant 4. So, dito siya sa quadrant 3. So, pag quadrant 3, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Okay? A, that is the given angle minus 180 degrees. So, pag sinob natin yung letter C mga boss, which is 210 degrees, pag kinuha natin yung reference angle niya, so, yung gagamitin natin formula is the reference angle theta is equal to 210 degrees, okay, minus 180 degrees. This is the given angle. So, that is equal to 30 degrees. So, the reference angle of 210 degrees mga boss is 30 degrees. Okay? So, next, we have here the 300 degree. Again, we are going to locate the terminal side of the 300 degrees. Saan quadrant makikita yung terminal side ng 300 degrees? So, the 300 degree angle, mga boss, is in quadrant 4. Because yung terminal side niya is in between the negative y-axis and the positive x-axis. Dito, mga boss. Kasi from x, okay, from positive x-axis going to the negative y-axis, this is 270. Is a multiple of this 90, 180 to 70. So, ibig sabihin, yung 300 degrees mga boss is in between the negative y-axis and the positive x-axis. Saang quadrant ito? Anong quadrant ito mga boss? Tama, it's quadrant 4. So pag quadrant 4 mga boss, ito yung lang formula na gagamitin natin. Okay? So we have reference angle is equal to 360 degrees minus the given angle, that is 300 degrees. I'm going to subtract, the answer is 60 degrees. So therefore, the reference angle of 300 degrees is 60 degrees. Ganun lang kadali mga boss. Okay. So the last is, we have negative 850 degrees. Now, as you can see, we have here a negative angle. Okay. Pag kinukuha nyo yung reference angle of an angle which is less than 0 degree, ibig sabihin, pag less than 0 degree, that those are angles, those are negative angles, no? Or greater than 360 degrees, yung gagawin nyo lang mga boss is, kukunin nyo muna yung smallest positive coterminal angle ng given angle. Okay? So, meron po tayong video dyan mga boss kung paano mag-determine ng smallest positive coterminal angle of a given angle. Ilalagay ko lang po yung link sa baba, sa description sa baba, para mahanap nyo kung saang video yung ginawa natin mga boss. Okay, so unang-una, since we are given negative 850 degrees and negative 850 degrees is less than 0 degree. Okay, so yung gagawin natin mga boss, hindi pa natin makukuha agad yung reference angle, so kukunin muna natin yung smallest positive coterminal angle ng negative 850 degrees. So if you happen to watch my video, okay, meron din ako dyang technique na tinuro mga boss para mas madali nyong mahanap yung smallest positive coterminal angle of a given angle. Okay. So pag negative yung given na angle, ito yung gagamitin mo na formula, okay, sa pagkuha ng smallest positive coterminal angle. Okay? So this is equal to, so lagyan natin ng angle theta sub 1. This is the smallest positive coterminal angle. You have here 850 degrees. A is the given angle plus 360. Yung n is any real number. So magmumultiply ka dyan ng any real number na kung saan pag inad mo sa negative given angle, yung sagot is a smallest positive acute angle. So ano yung value dapat ng n? So dito po yung papasok yung trial and error mga boss. So pag ginamit natin yung 1 at saka 2, okay, pag for instance gagamit tayo ng 2, pag in-multiply natin sa 360, that is 720. So pag add natin sa negative 850, the answer is a negative angle. So hindi yan pwede mga boss. So gagamit tayo ng 3. Tama, 3. Okay? So, dapat it is the smallest positive acute angle. Okay? So, this is negative 850 degrees. So, 360 times 3, that is equal to, okay, may degrees yan, 0, 18 carry 1, it's 1080 degrees. Then, negative 850, okay, plus 1080 degrees, that is, yes, tama mga boss, 230 degrees. Okay? That is 230 degrees. So, this is the smallest positive coterminal angle of a given angle. Yung smallest positive coterminal angle, mga boss, it should be greater than 0 degree but less than 360 degrees. So, eto na yung gagawin nating basihan sa paghanap ng reference angle ng negative 850 degrees. So, 230 degrees is the smallest coterminal angle of 850 degrees. So, aling or saang quadrant na belong or na locate yung terminal side ng 230 degrees? Okay, tama. Nasa third quadrant. Okay, nasa third quadrant mga boss. So, kung third quadrant, yung gagamitin natin formula is eto. Okay? So, solving now for the reference angle, that is reference angle theta is equal to, so A is the given angle, that is 230 degrees subtracted by 180 degrees. So the answer is 50 degrees. So So the reference angle of negative 850 degrees is 50 degrees. Okay, yan yung gagawin yung mga boss pag yung given angle is less than 0 degree or greater than 360 degree. Yung gagawin nyo lang una mga boss is hahanapin nyo lang yung smallest positive coterminal angle. Yung smallest positive coterminal angle of a given angle is greater than 0 but less than 360 degrees. Pag nahanap nyo yung smallest positive coterminal angle of a given angle, eto na yung gagawin yung basihan sa paghanap ng reference angle. Okay? So I hope may natutunan kayo mga boss. Thank you for watching and God bless.